Elvis. Learning plural of nouns with you is great fun. Can you please tell me more about them?
Of course, Sia. But first, let us learn about one different kind of noun. A noun which is made up of two or more words is called compound noun. The meaning of the whole compound noun is often different from the meaning of the two words on their own. For example, note plus book becomes notebook. Foot plus ball becomes football. There are certain compound nouns which are written as separate words. For example, ice plus cream becomes ice cream. Bus plus stop becomes bus stop. There are some compound nouns which are linked by a hyphen. For example, merry-go-round, self-confidence, etc. Sia, can you now tell me the plural form of all the compound nouns we have just learned?
Sure, Elvis. Notebook, notebooks. Football, footballs. Ice cream, ice creams. Bus stop, bus stops. Merry-go-round, merry-go-rounds. Self-confidence, self-confidence.
Good job, Sia. You're a good learner.
All thanks to you, Elvis.
If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.